How to turn on or turn off show extra symbols on keys on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to show extra symbols or disable it if you want. So all what you have to do is just go to Grammarly app. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the first option, it's keyboard customization. Click on it and here you go. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is go down until you find show extra symbols on keys. You can enable it or disable it just from here. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.